This is a review of LMC part number 450807. And this part is the lower bearing for the steering columns that are found on 1973 to 1979 Ford F-Series pickup trucks. And this part is a major upgrade from the original part, which I have right next to it. This is old. The bearing is rough when it spins. The original was about 50 years old. Had these little plastic tabs that are broken off. The original style replacement part is available. That costs about $15 to $20. I cannot really speak to the quality of that. I didn't buy that, but that is an option. This new style was approximately $65 plus shipping, and it's simply held in with the screws. They go through the square holes the original tabs clipped onto. As you can see, I'm overhauling this entire steering column. I actually upgraded the upper bearing as well. It's hard to see, but it is in there. The upper bearing is pretty much the same as the stock, although the new replacement from LMC is actually a sealed unit versus the original. That is kind of exposed, as you can see there. This column turns or spins very smooth without any play whatsoever. I would say aesthetically, that new bearing, the bearing housing assembly, it looks a lot better than the original style bearing as well. So all in all, I'm very happy with this, and I highly recommend.